why car insurance is helpful, problem with car insurance, how to save money, how to make a claim. These all points we will discuss in this video. So now we start video. Having a car in Australia is great, but also come with risk. What is what if your car gets stolen, damaged in an accident or hit by a storm, repair with thousands of dollars. That's why car insurance is important in Australia. In this video we will explain in simple words. We will look at the type of car insurance in Australia, how much it costs, what different the price, how to save money, and what to do if you need to claim. By the end you will know exactly the car insurance work here. So now we will discuss about what is car insurance. Car insurance is an agreement between you and an insurance company. You pay them fees called a premium. In return, the promise to cover certain costs if something bad happens to your car. If you cause damage to other people, in Australia, having at least some car insurance is the law. You cannot drive without it. Now we will discuss about second point, types of car insurance. There are four main types of car insurance in Australia. Compulsory third party. In simple we call it CTP. The first compulsory third party insurance is that this is the insurance you must have. It only cover people if they are injured or killed in an accident you cause. The third thing is it does not cover damage to car or property. In NSW it's called green slip. Now we will discuss about second, third party property damage. Cover damage you cause to other people's car property. The second one is does not cover your own car. The third one is it's cheap and good for people with older, less valuable cars. The third thing is third party fire and thief. Cover other people's property. The second one is also cover your car if is it stolen or damaged by fire or natural disaster. The third one is the middle option if you don't want full insurance. The fourth one is comprehensive insurance. Cover almost everything. Protect your car, other cars, thief, fire, storms, and natural disasters. The third option is more expensive but gives peace of mind. The last one is often include extra roadside help or a hire car while you are being fixed. The major third point is what decide the price. Insurance cost or premium cost depend on many things. The first one is your age. Younger driver pay more. The second one is your driving history. Accident or fine can increase the price. Accident and fine can increase the price. The third one is the car you drive. Sport car and luxury car cost more to insure. The fourth one is where you live. Busy cities or high crime area are more expensive. How often you drive. More driving means more risk. No claim bonus. Safe driver gets discounts. extras you add like rental or dealership roadside help. The major fourth point is why car insurance is helpful. Here are insurance is worth it. Save your save you from huge repair bills. Save you from huge repair bills. The second point is why car insurance is helpful. Cover thief, fire, accident and natural disasters. The third one is legal requirement. The fourth one is extra give peace of mind while driving. The fifth one is extra like windscreen repair and roadside helps. The fifth problem with car insurance. Now we will discuss about problem with car insurance. It's not all good. Here are some downsides. Premium can be very expensive. Premium can be very expensive. These are first one problem with car insurance. These are first points. Premium with expensive. Premiums can be very expensive. The second one is you still pay an excess fees when making a claim. The third one is some things are not covered like normal wear and tears. Insurance documents can be hard to understand. The sixth major point is how to save money. Want to lower your insurance cost? Try these tips. Compare different companies, choose a higher excess or lower your premium to lower your premium. Choose a higher excess to lower your premium. The third one is driver cheaper safe car. Drive a cheaper safe car. The third one is park in sure park in a secure garage. The fourth one is park in a secure garage. The fifth one is keep and clean record. Fifth one is keep and clean record. Sixth one is pay early instead of monthly. The last one is use comparison websites. Now we will discuss about how to make a claim. If you have an accident here, what to do? If you an accident here, what to do? Stay claim. The first one is stay claim check if anyone is hurt. Stay claim check if anyone is hurt. Number 2 is swap details with the other car. Number 2 point is swap details with the other driver. The third one is take photos of damage and scene. Take photo of the damage and scene. The fourth one is call your insurance company quickly. Call your insurance company quickly. The fifth one is fill in a claim form. Sixth one is pay the excess if needed. Sixth one point is pay the excess if needed. The last one is wait for them to repair your car, replace your car. Always the main thing is always be honest. Lying can cancel your policy. The eighth major point is state difference. Rules are slightly different in each state. For example, in NSW you buy CTP separately as green slip. In Queensland it's a part of your registration. Always check your state rules. The ninth major point is the future of car insurance. Now we will discuss about the future of car insurance. Insurance is changing with technology. Electric car or self-driving car, electric car and self-driving cars are creating new rules. Some companies now offer pay as you drive insurance where you only pay for how much you actually drive. The future will be even more personalized. Now we will discuss the last point is total conclusion. The last one is total conclusion. In this point we will discuss to wrap to wrap up to wrap up. Car insurance in Australia is not just about following the law. It's about protecting yourself. It's about protecting yourself and your money. Whether whatever you go for basic cover or full comprehensive, always choose what fits your budget and needs. I hope this guide made car insurance easy to understand. If you like it don't forget to subscribe for more simple guides, safe driving. After all this, now we will discuss about between Australia and Canada car insurance rules. Now we will discuss about Australia and Canada car insurance rule. Now we will discuss the first one is insurance mandatory in Australia? Yes. The minimum requirement is compulsory third party. The minimum requirement is compulsory third party. In short word, we call it CTP insurance. We call it CTP insurance, which is cover injuries or death of people in an accident you cause. In an accident you cause. You cannot register or drive a car without it. Now we will discuss about Canada. Yes, the insurance is mandatory in Canada. Car insurance is also mandatory in every province, but in every province the exact rule difference. Minimum coverage usually include liability, injuries and property damage. Some provinces also required accident benefits and direct compensation coverage. Now we will discuss about Canada and Australia between minimum coverage. We will discuss about Canada and Australia minimum coverage. In Australia, minimum coverage is for injuries to people, only CTP. Damage to car or property is not included unless you buy extra cover. In Canada, minimum cover usually include injuries to people and damage to property. The exact amount depend on the province. For example, in Ontario is include liability, accident benefits, natural disasters, and some uninsured driver coverage. Now we will discuss about third one is who provide insurance. In Australia, private insurance company provide CTP and all other types of insurance. Now we will discuss about Canada. In some province like BC and Manitoba, car insurance is run by government owned companies ICBC, SGI, MPI. ICBC, SGI, MPI. In other provinces like Ontario and Alberta, Private companies sell insurance. Now we will discuss about fourth point, types of insurance beyond minimum. First one is we discuss in Australia type of insurance beyond minimum. Companies third party like CTP required. The second one is third party property damage optional. The third one, third party fire or thief optional. Fourth one and last one is comprehensive optional cover almost everything. Now we will discuss in Canada types of insurance beyond minimum. Basic coverage depend on province but you can add optional. First one is collision coverage. The second one is comprehensive coverage. Thief, fire, hail, natural disasters, storm. The third one is extra liability coverage. The difference premium cost in Australia and premium cost in Canada. The first one is we will discuss in Australia. Premium depend on age, driving history, car type and location. The Canada same factor apply. Now we will discuss about simple in short. In Australia, minimum cover only protect people, injuries, not property, provided by private insurance. In Canada, minimum cover usually include both people and property. Some provinces use government insurance, others use private. These are our major points where we discuss about Canada and Australia car insurance policies. If you have any questions, other questions, we can DM, you can send in comments. We will discuss with our teams and reply as soon as possible. Good luck.